Once again, good afternoon to all. Karag Boimo, I'm audible to all, right? So we will start our class, but as usual, by collecting what we have learned in the previous class. What we have learned yesterday. Yesterday we learned what is array indexing game creation. We continue. We done the game creation exercise. Continue be in game creation. We have learned the coding concept, if statement, and comparison operator, and we use the inbuilt function, right, in the game creation. We have done till exercise 11, right? So I will continue the exercise to kahani the continue big. Then only I will like come back to this slide to game creation exercise 11 continue big, but we have reached in exercise 11, right? So here let's read together. The tiger to getting a restless. The let's make a things a little more interesting. Analu the character subject look ani go to nimi. Agree. You're the inventing, or you are like putting, or you are like creating another new characters to make your game challenging. Okay, anime, and we want to make a tiger go back and forth, so it will be harder for the monkey to catch a bananas. And we can use the loop to repeat a block of code. The loop is repeated for as long as the game is running. Now we want to introduce the tiger character, and then we want to make the tiger move forward and backward to make your game a little bit challenging, difficult. Honey, front the tiger 동화주 잡고주 오니기들로 we are using loop. 똑까 loop use 배워지는 지기 록지 싫어 keyboard A 되는 거 mus in order to move forward la be right ki arrow A 되는 거 if you want to move backward la in left ki arrow A 되는 거 D mango ba they are using loop to automatically go front and back. Hani mi 똑까 like steps 200 lab as a mom be step as a mom be to then steps 200 level is it will move to forward, and negative 200 level it will move tiger backward to kahani mi in the tiger code. Add a code inside a loop to make the tiger step negative 200 low. In order to make a tiger move backward, put the negative 200 to kahani bezulu tiger 동카 주뚝 잡혀 온도 비소님이 then 잡카 동카에 조준이 되는데 loop is loop use permitted loop के help 용하니디 in order to make tiger move forward, move backward, 아니 loop के help 용도가 let's run the program. 아니 토미가 tiger is moving forward then backward. Yeah, my 주민은 is making by the loop. The step is written here. Ani step ki loop na lutuni digi. That is going. I'm not pressing any key me. Ani run jumi tukka. Then get the banana lo. And do you remember in the before exercise nalu that if you collect with the tiger, then the monkey will get back to the first position, beginning position low. Only this code will be implemented throughout your code now implement your so you try to avoid meeting with the tiger to kahani we try before chigi in order to get the banana to you can try yourself. It's banana get because I'm colliding with the tiger mushani benigi is resetting my game. You can try yourself later or when you get to the schools. Tukani yata zibe banana lini try without colliding with kachilo tiger. Hagui. So I will go to the next exercise. Ani banana lini try video jintama time zone. So I will directly move to the exercise 12. You can try yourself. So overview. Let's recap what we have learned so far. See me on platform nadu. Let's recap. And so far we have made a monkey move. That's true. And monkey move pini kadibi move to in the shimo we use step function to move about like a monkey and added a new sprite, how to add a new character and shimush you can go to the the sprite, then click on the add new button baby sprite and beyond what more do you remember? Then destroy the banana using a function to destroy you used to remove the banana and almost honey. Destroy function is mush in order to delete this sprite or whatever mush and make the tiger back and front. It's like you have done in the exercise to upload 11 a be mush honey dinami change the monkey's position when it's called with a tiger. And it happened better but much when the monkey is on college with or when monkey is meet with tiger, then monkey is getting back to the chicken position no but the on the top left corner no haku yani dilami at the tiger is white and name it tiger lo. Now they asked to like add a tiger is white tiger character at below. You can go to this sprite tab and click the tiger character here and then to click the OK tab. And it's getting correct like and name as a tiger lo. The another already tiger se do an benigi. Your the instruction is correct se do mituk hagui. And the instruction to no do. In the tiger's code, add a loop with the step 200 and step negative 200 and inside the loop. Now they are asking to write a code ourselves. To bhana the code karanga chigi to in first you have to first we need to add a loop. You can just click on the control here and then to click the loop na loop. Click pe tupka. The code will and then the loop se the one be. Tupka. Then with the step 200 and step 200. Just they asked to write a code in the tiger code, not a monkey. Just now we are writing code in the tiger on the tiger on the right budo. Kalibi tiger on the right budo shows here there is a tiger image and on the highlight you remember any green behind the sheets. So we are writing code in tiger. Let's follow the letter instructions and go to steps 200 step 200 then go to doro steps negative 200 sorry 200 anigi laga chibi mo it will step 200 will make the tiger move forward donkalu lamju chuni then step negative 200 will be make tiger move backward to pajak konjun to anilame okay. Like now the next instruction in the monkey's code now they want to make they want to write a code in the monkey's code and define the on key function and add a code to make a monkey move and jump and they want to like define the on key function then monkey move pechulo tuka you can you can do this easily by clicking the on key block in the event tab at the bottom hana event se dum namo hana the on click pelo first we need to like change the tiger na yemi code you have first you have to change the monkey code mo monkey code to change bin dino you can tap on the steps and sprite and then click the monkey tuka you can directly another monkey image na click below change chongani tuka hagui in order to make a monkey move below. Let me see your answer. They told us to like define the on key function. On key function define below. Yeah, I'm writing on key function. Sorry, like on quality has no analog. You can define the on key function. On key function define below. Then they make the monkey move. Monkey move page. Okay. I need statement. You remember what that statement? We have already learned more if you tell me katabilan beunga. Here then I will explain once again. The on key function is the function name and then this is parameters. Hani key the represent that you are pressing the key mush that in order to make a monkey move you will press the right arrow. In order to make a monkey move to left side, but right key arrow but mush hani key emi the down to hani key hani represent beung. When if key the pressing key is equal the keyboard dot right chegi emi key di and equal to right key eba chindi and monkey di no steps right key I got right cut to join to kani code key hagoimo if you are pressing key that the press key that pressing key is equal to that the keyboard left lawachin keyboard na left arrow eba chindi step gachi do steps negative one mush in order to make monkey move left. In instruction, make the monkey jump no. instruction make the monkey jump as well though. If the key is equal to chichilame ko my right big key is equal to the land keyboard kashitu keyboard dot up to it will make monkey jump. Now here another steps in order to make a monkey jump. And you should use the jump function in order to make the monkey jump. Hani use to hani dilami agree. Now in the next instruction, in the monkey's code, define the on-called function with tiger. In the monkey code na below. On-called function define below more. Now you go to the event type and you can click on the on-called function. On-called with what flow? Kachika on-called below. That on-called with tiger lo mo another code na hagui hani be instruction chi jini chisu hagui. Hagodiga and update the onCollet function with Tiger to place the monkey back to the corner. And when the monkey is on Collet with Tiger, you want to reset the game low. You want to make the monkey back to this that left top corner no bunny low. Do you remember? Hanalogachi said pin. You use a set x is equal to 1 or 0. 0 is animu. Delay y is equal to the value that is argument 0 in order to make like when the monkey on call it or when meet the tiger, then the monkey should get back to the like the left top corner na roon ni den to ka ani biso. They're resetting the game. Agree? Like update the on call it function with tiger to play a bomb sound. When the monkey is on call it with tiger, then they want to again play a sound. In order to play a sound, how we write a code? Let me see your answer. Like the sound we name the bomb is to like click on the sound tab. Sound tab do you see there are the two tabs of the sound. But in here they want to use a bomb sound. In order to use a bomb sound, how we is write a code? Like someone write yes bomb dot play, but you don't forget to use a parenthesis. Another parenthesis to butuka. You have a good try. Translation B, but you have missed the parenthesis. If you didn't write a parenthesis and back in the margin, it will sound will not display to be. Okay, so get the monkey to the banana low. Then you can like run the program and try to get the banana without colliding with the tiger. The tiger collide virgin, it will be reset the like game. It will reset the monkey, the position. It will make the monkey like the beginning position bound to college origin. How we try to like avoid the tiger and be able to drive it to you can try yourself by playing the keyboard to keyboard key left right up here just drive it to and now I'm explaining now we are in the exercise 13 na are you guys all in exercise 13 exercise 13 like in overview intelligent now they're like introducing a new concept in here introduce the concept new here and you can count on me no topic is then it's like let's count the number of times the monkey jumps on the hippo how go let's count the number the number count meaning how many the monkey is jumping on the like hippo now we will use a counter widget like similar to the like we adding expert Hans Bera, we will use a counter widget in the counter widget has a property name value. The counter null property value is how it's like a property law the person will person height person height is a property. The weight is property. To chigi weight, chigi height is the property nani. The person human being property. Anusumbe counter lawyer the values in the property. You to kahani be relate with that. How each time the monkey call it with a hippo and jump, we need to add a 1 to the counter. When you call it with the hippo and jump, the monkey and hippo call it bedalu, you want to add a 1 point low. Jump chapter call it be they'll jump 1 chapter low. You want to add a like a counter no low and a 0 domina counter. You want to add a 1 low. Added 1 bin yellow how Here we will name the counter count. Tatto dingachi counter gi name the count pishagelo here count. And in order to update it, we will use a counter dot value. In order to update this count, you will use the counter dot value. See, use peono. The counter is like variable name. Variable. Variable the chingo to store something. But the mo ani count no store beong to kochi ani jump the lu ani add jomimena 118 8 jones slap them in mo. And we will add by 1 no minimum. We need to add 1 la memena. That is 0 dumush. Monkey jump chapchi once jump chapchi analo the once jump to twice jump javichin 1 0 plus that's 1 be the mush. There 1 plus 1 lab the come chow. 2 mush ani 2 be display to ani japkalo the cons plus chap the one to so like any plus is equal to operated as a value to the variable. The variable name gachimon to the what is variable name? We set a variable name is count mo. Analungat any operator plus is equal to the operator add pinning help yung lutuka. Yung variable na the whole byong but mo ani add bedo yung jump bedo ani count di. Ani variable count similar add yung tuka in order to like add by one gagi help yung la ani operator help yung tuka. Those are the operators. Operators get tiny time tuka those is equal to less than greater than plus is equal to them. This all those are all operators tuka. And plus is equal to lava hani gidi increment byong tuka chigi ani count the plus chap dire jong hani gidi minus jong tuka hani just know they are using the plus is equal to them use bini imi tuka in programming in coding nal gazum ani backend nal gadibi ani jong lawa and here look here in this and the code na tamar tuka and here they name the variable x mo then the value is 0 beginning and the value is 0 with mo now the x is equal to 0 with variable the name the x do so when you using that operator plus and equal to 1 labda di and the second line gi gashilam lawajin ani that's a variable x di mina analu 1 8 base lame tuka 1 8 bedalu ani 0 plus 1 zikachon 1 jomush now the x will be changed to the 1 and 0 imi the 1 change shong tuka because of the second line gi ani 1 the plus p lo wademo ani bindi hagumi ani bijo tuka programming na dani biranjo in order to plus tuka in here like in the instruction jogimi in the monkey's code, update the onCollege function with the hippo to add 1 to the counter. Use the plus is equal to, I need use plus equal to in order to add in the counter. Toka analu and zeros to make the counter in order to make a count. And account the add by 1 binary to junimi toka. And onCollege function like the onCollege function with the hippo to add a 1 to the counter. Add below, you have to write a count. That count is a variable name and dot a value is a property. Mush ani chigi person dot height situtumbe ani semi. Like a person dot height that like in the coding na lamni na say in I guess in class 7 na how so ani giraffe dot height labe height yata ani increase measure baby ngati suni ba value like giraffe dot height labe like any height the properties in here the count is variable and this is like property tukka ani ngaji ki at be me count him ani count this ani ani the number dim na ani it will be stored in like count variable na store byong tukka in here kachi below in all the monkey is on call with hippo it will be jammu ani jam bedalu sachi jam byojin it will that counter will change to ani gashlo 18118 정도가 하고매 하고매야 아니 0 이미지 tama monkey ana hebi jump 잡달루 once jump 잡지 아니 1 종 도로 second time jump 잡지 아니 already 1 이미지 1 plus 1 종 아니 들리 2 종 또가 118 baby 종 또가 jump 살이 잡달 하고 get the monkey to the hippo they run and get the monkey to the hippo 또가 아니 third instruction으로 10 times 아니 the jump 잡도 아니 hippo는 I'm doing that. And 10 yasimu. 10 jui dili. Ani gadi bi 8 judi shichi. Then if set the instead of one more, instruction is the one jano, instead of one, I want to add two. 제 count dot value 아니 monkey di hippo to가 jump 잡지 아니 point di two add ben이 나와지 하나로 instead of one you should write here two. 하고 let's see. that zero 도모 once two 조이모 four six two to add 베디 조디가 아는 숨 정도가 아니 비죠. 하고 that to control instruction at the once if it what more if you like instead of one you can try like four. Anyway, try Betuka. It's a similar concept like we have done in the like basketball to Cheriduka. When you score the basketball mochi any goals the basket you ring nalu so in points two tom name na nulu computer ki gadebi ani work bedi in the block coding nalu te men mo ngi you first you need you name the variable name like set scores la banalu points store beja name na similar to that analu the count nalu store beja mi to kahani point di hagome dele ani when the balls goes into the ring it gets 2 points right 2 point jochi dele set score nalu 2 si change chode batmo dorura ani ball score beochin doru 2 plus thoba demo dele 2 plus 2 la 4 mush yagi set counter se jambe di 4 na change chode batmo hani zumbi add jong tupka tenga chigi ani khatsa nim gi block coding and this one is text coding nalu beochi ani operator use beong tupka in order to add it add tupka value ani wi noksanta hagoiga let's look at the bonus part nalu and the bonus part na tomiga make the hippo step away after the monkey jump 5 times the more and monkey and count the 5 times jochi and value count dot value is equal to 5 times jochi and the hippo the move petalo and make the hippo move away so here we have to use something cut use big let me see your answer in order to like here you need to use a like conditional statement use paper in order to analu account dot value is equal to pipe lapti then the hippo the move paper what the mush hani dilami but you have to write a code in the monkey's code na to a monkey code na to so we have to use the if statement analu if statement use but yes you use the hippo dot step once use peon but we have to like condition use peon on the bonus nalu like any count to the zero to what mo and the monkey the lam jo and hip and count 5 jochi and jump 5 times pechi and hippo the mupini but mo ani bedolo ngachi if is 10 use peon to ganal if like count dot value is equal to 5 jochi tele hippo the run be actually move page in lomo yes and hippo the and hippo dot steps once one built in such jam the journey me but you can set a little bit more shada and 200 sharu ka sharu to and hagu and if is 10 minutes been in to an hebdel let's see and 5 hebdelu the hippo the jomi ga tai to 2 ya see 3 4 5 move jodi mo ani be move pin in to ani me bonus party if is 10 minutes be mush ani be use be go to then let's go to the exercise 14 now the exercise 14 na jogi to not all bananas are created equal. Banana gar same grade be main lo. Let's keep a score. And the banana to the score me like when the monkey get a banana, you want to like give a reward or like you want to give a points to the monkey. Tuka. Let's keep a score and we can add the points for each banana. The monkey's get. And we use a counter widget to keep this score. The same money in order to like give like points. We use a counter loop. In this exercise, you will add a counter widget from this for this score. Which is the score jani me but mo ani the monkey gi banana get better score jini me kolo. And adding a widget is similar to adding a sprite from the widget hani di how we mush like And we can define that for each banana we get 100 points, but if the banana needs to jump to get get the banana, we get 200 points. And if the monkey is a little bit make difficult to like get a banana, if the monkey needs to jump, and at point mom be like 200 points be, and just they are like setting a points to pagade in instruction Georgie, we will get more mush and add a counter widget and name it score and delete the word counter and write a score. Now go to the select widget and click on the green button and select a dialog counter the select below, then click on the add button. Now instead of the like counter, instead of default the counter duga, instead of counter, get right below, score right below. Yeah, I'm writing score. Hani be score right below, hani score right below. Agree? Then go to the sprite tab and in the banana high quotes, update the onCallIt function to add the 200 points to the score. And the the high banana sprite na jobe, do you see the banana low and banana high? Just now they want to like update the code in the banana high namush. Now I'm clicking on the banana high, I click jobe and the code change as we are in the banana high. And I'll go below. In update the onCallIt function, you edit the code lo analo update the function analo onCallIt function lo update below fetch below. Now add the 200 points to score. Which is score the variable name me analu point 208 below. Analu the count se jaiba tamo variable name. But here we name the counter name the score se jaiba tamo analu. And the score is a variable name that is storing the points. Tuka hani 208 be lo analu kachlo. That the 0 be dong temo ana score the 0 be dong. Hani 208 be lo ana 0 be dinamo hani 208 be lo hagui. And 208 bill. Haguimo. Let's now click on the banana low and click baby. The row similar to the banana high. Update the code under the onCallIt function. Here also they want to add a score dot value and a score add below. In order to add a score, you are using this operator. Yes. Tuka ane operator use below tuka. Then analudi 100 point change tuka hagui. So and that to the point 0 be what more 0 and 0 will be added to 200 plus 100 will come to the result should display the 300 to come and add baby jogo what more first the and score laminar 0 do when the let's run the code when more well, like monkey get the banana it will add the score will be increased to it will be added add jongani and score the that to 0 be doing notice be me that to 0 be 200은 주의가다. 내 200은 주의모. If the banana get the like low banana, it low banana points come to the, but it come to the 100 the but more. It will add it to the 200 to go. And it's out, it will be added. That's 200 plus 100 the add jo. The 200 jo. Add gagi beju and operator beju. Tuka hagui. Then store gatin store bejai and store score store bejai that we have right name right be but mo that counter select below that is the score se jai but mo that is variable that is storing the points to kahani din hagui. Let's go to the 15th access last access give me here we have to like create a game analu the points to chulu set bichumi tuka how many points should we get. And this time you will add 2 bananas and decide how many points to add for each banana. Tuka points come to add when it will later decide. Tuka and add a banana sprite and name it banana 1. And this did look lamingo. What more sprite this could have been a shiver the much all aware. Hanalu name it banana 1's name bill. I have named the banana 1 the name B. Then again the add below sprite. Click on the sprite tab and add the green new button. Then select the banana. Okay, then the OK be, then name it banana 1 se member, banana 2 se shadow. Shaimush. Then go to the sprite tab and in the banana 1's code, define the onCallIt function with monkey. And the banana 1 na jovi kach below. just know the code page is blank, right? You have to write a code. Ana lugachi pelo. Like go to this part na jo select bimush, then define the onColor function. Now define the onColor function lo. On color with kahalo monkey lo mo. Like I'm writing a monkey. Delay demo next instruction joki update the onColor function with monkey to destroy the banana. In order to destroy the banana, what the function we will use? To destroy the function use in order to like remove the or in order to delete the banana one and use destroy function the next instruction update the onColor function with monkey to play a collect banana sound. Collect banana sound the display below. When you click on the like sound here, collect banana semitoinga ani sound use below. In order to use this sound, use below. The name of the sound mush, name of sound dot we use a play function mush. And we play below do you remember? They are repeating these steps. And it will be easy for you. And update the onColor function with monkey to add a points to the like score. Now they asked us to add a score. Banana one top jeans score be and score gene no tuka score dot value kazum add bini is plus is equal to you will give score yourself score the charagi gene no tuka 1000 be gene tuka. Like now go to the sprite and select the banana 2. Banana 1 gives usita. Like banana 2 will be also follow the same steps. To garner the same instruction you. Like on color function use below on color with what? Monkey mush. On color with monkey lo. On color with monkey beauty below. The banana 2 the destroy betan lo hagui. Hani destroy be hani function destroy let me function gi. Then update the onColor function with monkey to play a collect banana delay sound the collect banana simili play below collect banana is sound gi name tuka. Hani di play below in order to play then the play function is used mush. Hani biomatic. Then update the onColor function with monkey to points to the score. Now give a score. Score dot the value. Then plus hani bir et bioma değil mi? 1000. Peki 1000 diyormuş. Doğru 1000 diyor. Tıpkı. Hani biz kurcu. Then what hani monkey ki all monkey collected both the banana the counter the gamchi jong. Et baby jong but the mo that zero immediate that you ni처럼 the 1000 지금 받은 거지 뭐. It will be 2000 jong tıpkı. Hani et baby jong but the mo. This concept is all same. 1000 diyormuş. If get the second banana, it added 1000 plus 1000 is 200. 2000 정도가 아니 비죠. 하기 아니 하기가 아니 아지 game creation 걸 하기가 you can try 아니 try betuka you can try to complete those course and try to create your own course own game tuka when you get when you reach to class 7 you will learn more about the game creation. So you can easily pick up the like any just use penny sheets to any events libraries just use penny sheets in uh when higher up your game level mo ana have the at mom be sound coding ko le at complex way na to ka na just mom be ha ko so hago just 이때 다니기 딜 exercise zone 길도 딜로 잠짓지 마자. You can try to learn something. 또 coding. 가데비 좀이나 the computer 기가 아니비 배지 아니비 하고도 미슬라미지 하고 또가 아니비 try 빌란 비니 하고. So I will go back to slide. 당연히 slide 조금이다. The game creation is so same 집에 하고. Now I'm here at the look the slide now. Like we have learned the loop more. Loop na loop tabs come to reach. Just gachigal hamni. Just since gachit have to loop the goal. There are tabs, right? Simple times loops have to mush. Kare joba right behind the text now. Let me see. Simple times loops have to delay until loop have to mush until loop there are the types until loop there are four loops. One is for loop. So today I will explain the for loop because for loop is using in most of the code to challenge the mama use bini. So I will explain this concept. Here in the moving next slide. I will explain the for loop by example. Example na lab gitu ka. So you can let's read the example. So you can also like image na luta be kasi code pini di try bitu ka like image layer at learn bini try bitu ka. What's that image is gonna do at the notice because biga image the kasum do what ka. Just know like example one. The number one student skips here. The number one student I have like number one is Jaimu and the number one students gives a high five, mush, high five to all the three students standing in the line. And in the image na tawag all the students, all that three students are standing in the line. Line na din mo kunso. Line na din no. And what you have noticed, they have same spaces same do. That like tax was ladigachi begobe. The number one student should give a high five to all the three students. Remember the more. And the step got jobe. In order to write a code through code level origin, now here it's using a simple times loops. Simple times loops peme anadu that number one student should like steps one lam gom to chipo then give a high five. Then this all like line they know what they move. Then this student will the number one student can follow the same steps, move same steps to give a high five to all the students, all the two remaining students. First, that number one students should the step one po high five jin and three times you go but more in for loop it will write code like this. And for loop for loop lo through simple times loop kachi be use bigger shi kachi be use bigger because it's quite easy for him to move. He just need to like repeat the same instruction, same steps to give a have up to all the students because all the students align in the same line na to what mo ani bindigi same steps to Johnny Gidilu George he will like that the number one student will give a high five to all the students. Me what mo ani bindigi simple times loops you spend to panalo di like steps one, give high five, and it's repeating two times because there are only the three students. Mo han binimi. You can compare this example one to the example two. Tuka. And again, the number one student gives a high five to all the students standing near him. The number one student gives a high five to and the student. What is the difference between the two examples? Just to get difference, and here, the second albert, all the students are not in line mush. Students line duga minubatemo. Then the students are scattered. The distance might distance are different. From image itself, you know more like distance are same minubatemo. That number of students should move to the last student the distance should be more mush. At the mom doing the more and last na de minilu the hype of Jimbo George that the number one student should steps got more mush that compared to the front na demi. And maybe the steps ki number ya madu junime but the mush. Then the number one student should like move to the different direction as well. Different direction the job but more. This kind of situation. And in situation how good this kind of situation we use a for loop. Any situation we use a follow to cut this kind of situation. Follow like the second example was also a loop, but a different kind loop. The for loop helps to give a high five to all the students loop. And the for loop here, it will have to give up all the student loop. But you code to a video. This is the syntax of the like for loop to that the that the syntax I will explain later to like for student in students that student that is this student is referred to that individual student to individual student referred to then students mean the like general the re mabawa chitang bibodal students lam nemen hani zumbi hani the students in tuka and for students in student lamigiti the student and individual student lo point be me ani student ma me sal student and individual sulu silablu zumit into kani for look like it will be do like this the for student in student then that the number one student should turn to the student that particular student and give high five then then again the for loop version is loop mo loop in but mo ani the five student mo the five times loop in me but mo first that number one student will give high turn to the first student this student and give high five then the number one student will go to this student and give high five mush and any student in the particular student will go into any student is the for loop this to an in the use pen the for loop got use pen 하고 and it's let's say in కొన్ని difference తగ్గిక 되면 simple times loop no the example one it follow the simple times loops simple times loop use 되면 같이 simple times loops use 비가 나와진 it repeat the statement or statement level steps mo like step one level give high fives the mo and statement and three times and carry out exact same action each time and the action same follow remember the mo lamya same exactly jo me the high five jimmy the kogi number of steps stepping also same and same jo me but mo however in for loop na example two na the about our like it is also it's also a loop loop it's also loop number of the number one student walk different distance in different direction to reach all the students in the more in order to reach all the students that the student and the particular the student number one has to work to the different distance and different direction the job but more according to that student got in the day student scatter na do what more and benigi she need to work a different distance and different direction hani lam tuk the action carried out each time depending on the particular student me but mo ani bi jumi me mo like the number one should depend he needs to depend on the other students kontu gatina dinu ga ani na depend jo bi jumi but mo in order to keep high five ani chung gi situation lo we use a for loop tuk ha gui for loop ga de be use be na ha gui ga Katilu katibin na Luis Pina. How good. In now we will define what is for loop. Tuka hanalu. Now for loop achina labke. A for loop is like a special way of doing something repeatedly. Remember the mo? It's doing something work, no? Something is follow some steps to work repeatedly. Ani steps repeatedly follow bimima namo ani lamin tuka. When we have a collection of object in another definition of for loop, when we have a collection object like the loop, object means whatever more that having a weight, that having a properties. The object that having those who are having a properties which in the person which a height, weight, sumbe phone ki property which weight mo size mo and this car like property. Those are the property to object lamidi collection of object hago imo object and we want to repeat an action that relates to each one of them specifically ani gajimi this definition will implement in the second for second example to ani implement jomi when we have a collection of objects and we want to repeat an action we want to repeat that steps that relates to each one of them specifically depending on that object तो कहानी action the repeat benemi ani depending on that particular object ani gomi then for loop will keep going until all the actions are done on all the objects in our collection ani kachipemi for loop kiti ani action mo ani action di 가라는 implement 마비 sensin 조대용로 뚜까 like that number one person giving a high five to all these students mo 거기 the high five galura majimba de mijalo 뚜까 it will that action will be taken to all the students no 아니라면 뚜까 that follow will keep going until all the action are done on all the object in our collection 하고이 like understand the for loop now I'm coming to the coding the gadevi joina na another hidden that for loop has a two component two parts for loop na two parts loop number one is loop variable and array is the we have learned already mo array tell array elements habji bade mo array element and array element let me the loop variable loop into ka array level in container mo it will hold something like similar things whole beyond what demo and whole bedolu ngaji people in chu do but mo bucket do bucket like bucket is a area name area me but mo bucket area the nana chu imi the loop variable ani the variables im chin to ka hani the nana the container gi nana imi this ani ane ka chu area elements allow ani the loop variables allow to ka ani lo di hagui in coding na to ka hans mo this is a syntax for the for loop is the syntax ani bin the rule the ani bitu the for loop kidi for the loop variable the loop variable is the array element the original nana lo contain gaji biga in array name the name of the array tuka and like here and the loop variable is used to refer an array elements tuka array elements the recall basic chi gasum diga khacha then array name refer to the name of the array hagoimo and before your code here and your code here like before that you have to maintain an indentation and the space maintain begolo in order to maintain the like space you can just tap on press the tab key nalu press be to chi keyboard nalu tap b semi chi analu tab be ani press be to ani chi space create be analu to space ka chi be create be na 아니 꼭 되면 아니 step the for loop ki in syllabiki in to that's why you should write a code inside the for loop ati nana bitugo nanko na sube to ka ani bitugo the even the program gi run jo mi to ka programs are quite sensitive to ka ani binigi ani the space jago nana sube to ka program judo to ka hagoi like here the explanation dawajin for lawajin this is still the computer that there is a for loop here the for gi the law lawajin computer now I'm using the for loop silam ni me ani for gi ani shi ni me computer the for loop is be me se to ka b is definition of loop variable b's definition of loop variable lawajin the error element lu ko me to banana yi chala disulu the erinal content gachibi erinal ngachi name ya content bitu what mo gachi content bitu what mo the score content bitu to ka ngachi erinal score this content be the name this content be and name this numbers so nam doji karma zem this and this loop variable into ka that to the for an example no the bb janova konsugi you can write whatever you want ani to ka ani tele in la part of for loop mush in la ani nana la ki to ka and bananas the name of array and the array gimush like b is inside the ani banana gi syllabus into in gidi in out the shemina mo ani meaning same ina analu in the wajane banana na le syllabus gi banana yesa gi nana le to do syllabus be into ka and trying to b is a loop variable that refers to the object in the array hagui anal lame but mo b is a loop variable or the array element that refers to the object in the array gi nana yimidu hagui in here like banana mus banana is erine or another content gachi binu banana is content binu what the different type of banana another content binu what the those are the array variable or loop variable that b is refer bidim namo and just ani banana this refer bibin duka hagui chisugi coding and indexing important in order to access your first banana through indexing nal sheets what the monga chiki in your coding melody like in your code monkey melody hachi gadebi sheets la through indexing nal sheets to in order to monkey to get a banana uh, monkey gi mo banana gadi first get bin in la through indexing zero lego tung dukka hagui ni for loop naloya for b in banana lab chi the turn to b lab the index 0 nalu tanjo hagui in like a code monkey nalu and here this is the example from the code monkey like in code monkey nalu an sumjo to kanga chi ki code monkey I will show from the code monkey platform stuff and the omba demo ngachi the for loop the ani the omba demo like the banana all the bananas mo banana in gar banana in there with in order to like we are using a for loop in here in general we call the bananas mo the any individual george in and the banana tree me but mo 아니 다지기 table 다지 바나나기 table 되면 아나는 요즘 0 1 2 3 아니 fourth 나로 아니 stand 베니 아니디 다또 dinga chiki indexing 나 sheet we what index 3 do what demo but program is start from where 0 1 dinga chi program di 0 li start be what demo 아니 베돌로 indexing 1 레고 좀 똑카 indexing 1 indexing 1 나도 무시 the program will run from the indexing 1 아니 the monkey beru the monkey faster 그치 banana 아니 index 1은 데미지 통도까 like B is referring to that individual banana 아니 B is 두면 for B in banana 아니 B 디 같이 셔를 뚝뚝까 근데 아니 banana you should write the same name as here 아니 the 에릭이 name 아니 same 베르자고 뚝까 하고이가 like B should write whatever you like you can write like banana se jaru tuk banana se jaru tuk gaane bhi jabe but you have to change that you should write it same you are referring to the like an individual banana refer bedo bote ani benigi tukka tele for loop the four banana lab is like is pointing out to the individual banana in bananas it's irony 하기 아니 바나나 디 폼 가틀리 레퍼 베일라 와진 아니 바나나 슬라민 레퍼 베일로 아니 에리니 아니디 아니 에리기님 아니 탭베지 테메바데 모 바나나 슬라베 they return to that particular banana and step distant to banana lo they step bolu ha jobe dele banana zani mite ban agachlo monkey gi 하기 the for loop ane gachibi use be na ngachigi in order to get a monkey in order to get a banana that monkey should move in different direction, right? Different direction to be then monkey should step a different different distance. 하고면 아니 notice me in order to get this number 0 index 0 나 이미 many monkey should turn to the left but in order to get this like banana 4 given monkey should turn to right like the step direction should direction also different and the step ani the banana thousand is quite shorter than this mush and the distance beru at the shorter dominamo the midai mush ani beru is like they are using a for loop to kana loop tukka ani di ani steps is for loop they repeat benira ini di they with the gadebi work be ina di shichimo gadebi joina di gatilu for loop use be ina di hagui gazumnal for loop use be ina di 하구이가 do you get me 아니비 정도가 아니비 kelly wangi bang kelly the monkey will get now he will index 4 the index 4 정도가 first right 0 letter bami mush 아니비를 bang 뚝 아니비 중 같이 coding 같이로 coding 나 아니비란 중 하고디가 같이 뱅가 explain 비미 하고디가 like you can refer more you can refer those site to I will share in the ppt to tama ani website in and website jo bi line being try be to ani detail mo the description of your code monkey description this ani slide ai you can directly click on the code monkey analo tab baby you can select the topic this way gachi bina and details be analo chinje to so in order to learn the coding more, you want to learn a coding and those who are interested to learn, you can refer this site. W3 School Tatuka Hanalu coding language Mari. First you can I will recommend you to learn the Python. Tuka Python the learn the Tuka those who are interested learn Python. That Python will be learn the next year chi mapale sao. Ni code man kinaludi not it will implement the Python doka language computer language Python the introduce the coffee script use maybe when you reach to the class 7 and Python use in order to learn the Python you can just learn from this site doka and learn bini try be hagui derigi lesson jamchamchin deri last time imo the program gi it is last class in doka karalu there nowadays the class me take me being a today is last class and the shame but the so like I want to request you all to tama in the group chat I will share the form to share beyond feedback form we want to collect our feedback from you guys so please you guys can more spare sometimes minutes to like fill out the form to and that's it fill out pen to I want to see like Mishi, but we are teaching from online and we are talking like love the what the present video, but we don't know really you guys are getting or not more. So we want to like collect the feedback. So fill up in a tuka, we share in group chat. Group chat and share big tuka. How good? So you want to refer the previous classes, refer bin lawachin, you can scroll down the like uh, group channel. I've already sent the PPT and video discuss send video. You can revisit those too. So lastly, thank you students for your time and showing interest to learn with us too. And as we told in the first class mo, of this program gi motive kachina the goals kachina the lapchi demo in order to make good use of your times lapchi then in order to learn the new concept about the coding sera no better any program plan being a jigi but I don't know and I'm hoping more that I'm hoping that you guys have learned something from this summer coding camp sera expect better tuka and I wish you all the best and try to learn and relate what you have learned here while playing Code Monkey Tuka. And so you can revisit my slides that as I mentioned earlier, and then take note of it if you want. And you can also refer from YouTube. Just YouTube na leta tuka YouTube na lo na Code Monkey concept is YouTube na letini. Then you want to learn a coding concept and you want to learn more about the coding concept that to timing a topic this 30 in out of that topic as a mom 30 you can learn from YouTube as well. Tuka YouTube na mom be instead of watching other the like the videos more you can try to learn coding something interesting what you learn from YouTube tuka. And if feel like difficult to understand mo, the YouTube channel how you can ask help from your ICT teacher and also you can reach out to me. Tuka, I will try to like help you guys. I'm teaching the Mishi, but I will try to like help big it interest rate watching and so I'm with the coding program and thank you all thank you all thank you all the students and teacher as well. The teacher join bidi to one I want to thank both the teachers and students. So like enjoy your rest of vacation with your family and thank you all.